मथुरा से आकाश के विशेष कीर्तनियम संगीत विषयक्रम श्री दामोदर प्रभु के और उनके अनुगत में सभी भक्त लोग आए हैं, इसलिए सभी के लिए जोर से आप लोग ताली बजाइए। अधिक समय नहीं लेते हुए अपने विषय को जो है संक्षेप में बताने के लिए मैं प्रयास कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि आप लोग सब नगर परिक्रमा करके आए हैं, इसलिए थके हुए हैं, इसलिए आप लोग को अधिक समय भी लेना नहीं। आज विशेष करके आप लोग भी व्रत भी रखे हैं, अष्टमी दुर्गा अष्टमी व्रत भी रखे हैं, इसलिए दो शब्दों के द्वारा ही मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूं। ये श्रीमद् भागवतम महापुराण 7 दिन श्रद्धा के साथ श्रवण करने से समस्त पाप नष्ट हो जाते हैं और अंत में श्रद्धा भक्ति होकर के साक्षात रूप में भगवत ये भागवत
The Srimad Bhagavat is not ordinary.
इसलिए समस्त पुराणों की सम्राट कहा
It is the king of all scriptures.
पुराण सम्राट यह श्रीमद् भागवत,
The emperor of all the scriptures.
ये श्रीमद् भागवतम
Srimad Bhagavatam is divine transcendental.
समझ में भी आ जाए, समझ में नहीं भी आ जाए,
Whether you understand or you not understand, just if you just come close by wherever Bhagavad Gita is going on, if you sit nearby, even if you listen or not, all your sins get destroyed automatically. In scriptures, there are many examples like this. Bhagavad Katha glories are so much. Demigods also, they pray to God that if we take birth in this material world and then we go to listen Bhagavad Katha, it will be very nice. Avaishnam Grinam Putam Hari Kathamritam. If you drink milk, the body is nourished. But if the same milk is contaminated by the touch of the tongue of a snake, then automatically the milk is poisonous. Knowingly or unknowingly, if you drink that milk, death, you will die. In the same way, if you listen from a non-Vaishnav, if you listen Bhagavad Katha, Jivas won't be delivered from this material world. That's why you must always listen from Vaishnav. Only from the mouth of Vaishnavas. Srimad Bhagavatam is not just an ordinary book. The Srimad Bhagavat is Bhagavad Sarup. It's an incarnation of God, the Vamai Murti of God. In Srimad Bhagavatam,
Mahapuranam.
it is Mahapuranam, the greatest of all scriptures. Bhagavata.
Prakash.
Bha means light, Prakash,
इस कथा को
immense
श्रवण
light.
करने से
Whoever listens to this katha,
जिनके हृदय में जितनी
all
प्रकार की
kind of
अंधकार
darkness in the heart of the jivas, all of that darkness it
नाश होता है।
gets destroyed.
प्रकाश डालते हैं, जैसे अंधकार में
Like light, it destroys the
आलो की
darkness.
जरूरत होता है। और आलो आने के साथ ही साथ अंधकार
And when it comes,
दूर हो जाता है।
it goes
उसी
away.
प्रकार इस श्रीमद् भागवतम
Srimad Bhagavatam,
कथा श्रवण करने से
when you listen to this Srimad
हमारे
Bhagavata
हृदय
katha,
में जितनी प्रकार की अंधकार हो,
all kind of
काम, क्रोध,
darkness in the
आदि
heart,
अपने आप
automatically it
नष्ट हो जाता
gets destroyed.
है। इसलिए भा शब्द का अर्थ होता है प्रकाश।
The Bha means Prakash,
ग शब्द का अर्थ है गरिष्ठ।
Ga means
श्रेष्ठ।
Garishta.
जितने पुराण हैं,
All the
समस्त
scriptures,
पुराणों में
in all the
इस
scriptures,
श्रीमद् भागवतम गरिष्ठ श्रेष्ठ
it is the best scripture. Srimad Bhagavatam is the best of all.
वो माने ये श्रीमद् भागवत कथा श्रवण करने से
Whoever listens to this Srimad Bhagavatam,
जीव की संसार में पुनर्जन्म लेने
jivas don't need to take birth again in this ocean of material existence, and God Himself, He
निवास करते हैं।
resides in the heart of His devotees, whoever listens to this katha. God Himself,
जिसके हृदय में विराजमान
He resides
हो जाता है।
in the heart of the jivas. Shannatam Shakata Krishna.
पुण्य श्रवण कीर्तन भगवान की ऐसी अमृतमय कथा को श्रवण करने से
Listen to this beautiful nectar katha of God through ears.
और हृदय में आकर के स्वयं भगवान
Then
बैठ जाते हैं।
God
और
enters the
हमारे
heart
हृदय
and
में
He sits
जितनी
there,
प्रकार की
and all kinds of
काम, क्रोध,
anger, lust,
ये सब दूर हो जाते हैं।
everything it goes away.
बहुत शब्द का अर्थ है वास्तव।
Bhagavata.
शब्द का अर्थ होता है त्राण, रक्षा।
Ta means Tran, it protects all the jivas.
भगवान हमें रक्षा ही करते हैं।
It protects, He protects, God He protects
मनुष्य
everyone. That's why
भागवत
all the
कथा
humans must listen to Srimad Bhagavatam.
संत महात्मा के निकट बैठ करके
Sitting close to Santa
ये कथा
Mahatma,
श्रवण करने से
you listen to this katha,
अपने आप समस्त पाप नष्ट हो
automatically all the sins they get destroyed.
और साथ ही साथ
And simultaneously,
भगवान प्रेमा भक्ति प्राप्त हो जाता है।
Prema Bhakti is
भगवान
attained.
को हम प्राप्त कर लेते
We
हैं।
attain God.
इसलिए
That's why,
श्रद्धा के साथ
with Shraddha, with
यह
unflinching
भागवत
faith,
कथा श्रवण करें।
everyone must
ये
listen
श्रीमद्
Srimad Bhagavatam with faith.
साक्षात
Because this Srimad Bhagavatam is incarnation of God.
जैसे जिस प्रकार
Just as like
हमारा शरीर के अंग आदि हैं।
the parts of our body, legs, nose, hands,
ठीक उसी प्रकार
ears.
श्रीमद् भागवतम
in the same way Srimad Bhagavatam is called there are 12 cantos.
द्वादश स्कंद श्रीमद् भागवतम।
There are 12 cantos in Srimad Bhagavatam.
ये द्वादश स्कंद श्रीमद् भागवतम
In these 12 cantos, whoever hears
साक्षात भगवान प्रकट हो जाता है।
God, He appears. Whoever listens
इसलिए
to the Srimad Bhagavatam, wherever it's being recited. So this 12th canto, Bhagavatam has 12 cantos.
कहते हैं, पादो यदियो प्रथम द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थो कथितो जद्गुरु नाभिस्तथा पंचमम् एव षष्ठ उजन्तरान्तं दुर्जुगलं तथा कंठस्तुराजन्नं नमः ज्योतिमुखारविन्दं दशमप्रफुल्लम् एकादशोऽस्य ललाटपट्टं शिरोऽपि तु द्वादश एव भाति त्वमादित्यः भगवादिदेवं करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं श्वेतावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्रं भजामहे भगवत स्वरूपं तमादिदेवं करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं श्वेतावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्रसेतुं भजामहे भगवत स्वरूपं भजामहे भगवत स्वरूपम् पद्म पुराण में वर्णन है सर्व पद्म पुराण पद्म पुराण
Padma Puran, it is explained. It is expressing the glories of Srimad Bhagavatam.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? पादो जदियो भगवान प्रथम स्कंद द्वितीय स्कंद
First canto, second canto, they are the
चरण कमल बताए
lotus feet of God.
तृतीय तुर्जो
Tritiya Torjo,
तृतीय स्कंद और
third canto and fourth canto.
भागवत की कहा जाता है
Srimad Bhagavat is
उरु कहा जाता है
the thighs of God.
पंचम स्कंद श्रीमद्
Thighs of
भागवतम
God. And the fifth canto is called the
कमल कहा जाता है और षष्ठ
seventh is the navel, sixth is the
और सातवां स्कंद
the sixth and seventh
भगवान के देह
is the
भुजाएं कहा जाता है
two shoulders of God.
और आठवां
And the
स्कंद
eighth one is
भगवान के
is the God's chest.
और नवम स्कंद
The ninth canto of Srimad Bhagavatam
भगवान के कंठ देश का
are the throat of God.
एकाद दशम स्कंद श्रीमद् भागवतम
Tenth,
भगवान के मुखारविंद
the beautiful face,
मुखमंडल का
beautiful it is.
प्रस्फुटित मंजुहास्य युक्त इतने
Beautiful
सुंदर
smiling face,
मुखारविंद दशम
very beautiful face of God is like this.
एकादश स्कंद
11th canto
11 स्कंद श्रीमद् भागवतम
of Srimad Bhagavatam is the
ललाट देश का
forehead of God.
और द्वादश स्कंद श्रीमद् भागवतम
And 12th canto
भगवान शिरोदेश
is the head of God.
साक्षात भगवान भागवत की प्रकट हुई
God, he took incarnation as Bhagavatam. Moving further in the next stage, I will explain. Kali Yuga,
प्रारंभ कब हुई
when did it start actually? When Krishna, he
सदा नित्य धाम में जब पधार गई
entered returned back to his transcendental abode. At that moment, Kali Yuga started.
पधारने के साथ ही साथ
Simultaneously,
कलियुग की प्रारंभ हुई
Kali Yuga started.
और ऐसे कलियुग के लोग
And people of Kali Yuga,
स्वामी कहा जाता है
they are so
नीच
fallen.
प्रवृत्ति हो जाता है
Their nature is like this.
दुराचार
They are absorbed in doing bad things.
ऐसे लोगों की कल्याण करने के
To
लिए
help such fallen
स्वयं
jivas,
भगवान
God himself, he
कलियुग में कहते हैं भागवत के रूप में
appeared
प्रकट हुए।
in form of Srimad Bhagavatam in this material world.
तमादिदेवं
Tamadidevam,
करुणानिधानं
Karunaanidhanam,
तमालवर्णं
Tamalavarnam.
सहितावतारं समस्त जीवों की
All the
मित्र
jivas,
के रूप में ही
in form of friends of all the jivas, God, he
इस श्रीमद् भागवत के रूप में प्रकट हुए तमालवर्णं तमादिदेवं तमालवर्णं करुणा के निधान स्वरूप है सबके जीवों
He
की
is
कल्याण करने वाले
very, very extremely merciful.
करुणा के तीन प्रकार हुए इस श्रीमद्
He,
भागवत
with his potency of mercy, this Srimad Bhagavatam has
और
manifested.
ऐसे विस्तार
And
समुद्र के पार करने के लिए
To cross this
एक ही
ocean of material existence, there is only one solution in Srimad Bhagavatam. Like, how will you cross this bridge of ocean of material existence? You need a ship.
किंतु संसार रूपी महासमुद्र में
But this ocean of material
ये समुद्र
existence,
हम कैसे पार
how will we
करेंगे?
cross this ocean?
बाकी श्रीमद्
By
भागवत
Srimad
का
Bhagavatam. If you take shelter of Srimad Bhagavatam, then easily you can cross this ocean of material existence. Like through a bridge, we cross the ocean.
ठीक उसी प्रकार ये श्रीमद्
In the same way,
भागवत का आश्रय
where
करने
if you
से
take
ही
shelter of Srimad Bhagavatam,
हम अति सहज
then
रूप में
very quickly, easily you can cross this bridge. No need to do anything else. Just you sit and you cross.
कथा में बैठ जाइए।
Just sit in Katha.
भगवान की
Why?
कथा जो है,
Because this Katha is very, very
transcendental
transcendental.
शब्द ब्रह्म कांड।
It's Shabda Brahma.
ये शब्द ब्रह्म कांड के अंदर में जाकर के
This Shabda
अपने
Brahma,
आप हृदय में आ जाए।
it transcendental sound enters the ear and it enters the heart. And all the darkness in the heart, it destroys all the darkness in the heart. Tamadidevam.
तमाल वर्णम सुईतावतार अपार संसार समुद्र सेतु भजामहे भागवत स्वरूपम।
Bhagavat Swarupam.
ऐसे सुंदर श्रीमद् भागवत
Srimad Bhagavat is like
मनुष्य
this.
मात्र में श्रवण करना चाहिए।
All humans must listen.
केवल बैठे रहिए बस, देखो
Just sit.
अपने आप पार हो जाए।
Automatically you will cross this ocean of material existence. Just
बोट
as
में
like
नाव
in the
में आप
boat,
बैठे रहिए,
if you sit in the boat, then
कुछ करना नहीं है।
no need to do anything else.
और नाव वाले क्या करते हैं? वो बोट चला करके आपके गंतव्य स्थान में पहुंचा देते हैं।
If you sit in a boat, the boatman, he crosses the river. If you take the shelter of Srimad Bhagavatam, similarly, everything will be done. You will cross this ocean of material existence very easily. Such divine, the Srimad Bhagavatam is this.
देखो
See,
संत सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
जब भागवत कथा श्रवण कराया सुनाया
when he recited Srimad
कथा श्रवण
Bhagavatam,
करके
and after hearing
सिर्फ
Srila
प्रतीक महाराज
Parikshit
साक्षात
Maharaj,
रूप में
he
भगवत धाम को प्राप्त किया।
attained the transcendental abode.
और उस समय
At that time,
सप्तलोक में
in Satyalok,
ब्रह्मा जी
Brahma,
देख करके आश्चर्य हुए।
he became
केवल
surprised.
कथा श्रवण किया
Just he heard the Katha,
और साक्षात रूप में
and
भगवत धाम को प्राप्त किया।
he attained the abode of God. After seeing this, Brahma ji started to think,
भागवत की महिमा क्या है?
what are the glories of
उन्होंने
Srimad Bhagavatam?
एक
What did he
तराजू
do?
मंगाया
He
स्केल।
brought a weighing scale.
एक तरफ
On one side,
सारे पुराणों
he
को
put
रख
all
दिया।
the scriptures, Puranas, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everyone, everything he put.
और
And on the other hand,
एक तरफ
he put the Srimad Bhagavatam.
भागवत पुराण। देखो आश्चर्य की बात।
So surprising.
भागवत की पन्ना जो है
Srimad Bhagavatam was heavier than all the Puranas.
सारे पुराण एक तरफ रखा गया,
All the Puranas were in one place.
किंतु देखो यार एक तरफ श्रीमद् भागवत के रखा गया।
And one place Srimad Bhagavatam was kept. Srimad Bhagavat
हमारी वो भी नीचे
was heavier than all. Whatever is heavy, it comes down on the weighing scale. And what's light, it goes up on the weighing scale.
है? वो वस्तु क्या है?
What is that?
ऊपर आए।
It comes up.
जैसे
Just
आप
as
लोग
light.
भारी हैं, सोता है
You are the listeners, so you are heavy. You are on down level,
और ऊपर
lower
हम
level.
बैठे हैं,
And I am sitting on a higher level, so I am low.
जैसे देखो कथा में हम बताते रहते हैं
In Katha, this is coming also.
जो जमीन पर बैठते हैं
Those who
उनको
sit
क्या
on the
कहा
ground,
जाता है?
they are called Jamindar, the owner of the ground.
और जो चौकी पर बैठता
And
है,
those who
उसको
sit
क्या
on a
कहा जाता
sofa,
है?
on a chair, they are called the Chowkidar, which means security guard.
जमींदार बना
So
है,
who is bigger, the owner of the land or the security guard?
क्या जी?
Who is bigger?
चौकीदार
Tell me,
हाँ?
who is bigger?
कौन बना है?
चौकीदार
अरे कुछ तो बोलो।
Say something.
चौकीदार चौकीदार
जमींदार बराबर हैं? जमीन में
Zamindar, the owner of the land, is bigger.
नीचे बैठ जाते हैं पहले खाना तराजू क्या
I
हुआ
told you.
ब्रह्मा जी जब
When Brahmaji was weighing all the Puranas in the Srimad Bhagavatam,
वजन करने देखा क्या
what did he see?
भागवत
Bhagavad was on down level because it was
और
heavy.
सारे पुराण के चक्रवर्ती
And
हैं
all the
भी,
Puranas, not one,
समस्त पुराण के
all the Puranas he put on the other hand.
17 पुराण के चक्रवर्ती हैं
He put 17 Puranas,
18 पुराण
18 Puranas.
17 पुराण में एक ही
There are total, and on one side he put all of them, all the scriptures.
केवल श्रीमद् भागवत
And on the other hand, he put Srimad Bhagavatam.
और देखो तथापि श्रीमद् भागवतम
Even Srimad Bhagavatam was heavier.
वास्तविक सत्य है
This is true.
इस श्रीमद् भागवत की कथा इतनी
Katha of Srimad Bhagavat is very powerful.
इसमें तो ये पद्म पुराण
In Padma Puran,
स्वयं भागवत की महिमा वर्णन कर रहे हैं
expressing the glories of Srimad Bhagavatam.
सर्व वेदांत का सार ही
Sarva Vedanta Saram
भागवतम
Srimad Bhagavatam Nishyate.
समस्त वेद पुराण उपनिषद के सार ही
The essence of all scriptures is Srimad Bhagavatam.
सर्व वेदांत का सार ही श्रीमद् भागवतम इसमें भागवत की कथा
So we should listen to Srimad Bhagavatam. That will benefit us.
केवल कितने दिन श्रवण क्या परीक्षा
For how many days is Parikshma listen? Seven days.
7 दिन 7
7 nights.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
Srila Shukadeva Goswami.
7 दिन 7 रात
7 days, 7 nights.
इस श्रीमद् भागवत कथा कर
He recited
घंटा बैठने के बाद
continuously, but us for 1 hour
घुटनों में दर्द हो जाता
we get very agitated. We cannot sit.
कहाँ बैठते हैं
How can we sit?
किंतु देखो
But see, just see, Sukadeva Goswami Pad.
परीक्षित महाराज के कितने दिन कथा सुना है
Parikshit Maharaj, he spoke to continuously 7 days and 7 nights. Would you be able to sit like this?
इसलिए श्रीमद् भागवत की कथा सुनो श्रद्धा के साथ श्रवण
Just listen with faith.
ये अमूल्य अवसर
This is the spotless Puran. Just sit.
देखो कितनी महान कथा
Such a great
ये
thing.
श्रीमद् भागवत की
This
कथा
Srimad Bhagavatam pastimes.
परीक्षित महाराज के निकट
Shukadeva Goswami spoke to Parikshit Maharaj
सुनाने के लिए बैठे कीर्तन करने के लिए बैठे
when he sat to chant this Harikatha. The demigods,
अमृत की कलश लेकर के
they brought the pot of nectar, ambrosia,
और सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
from the heavenly planets and told Shukadeva
हे
Goswami,
ब्राह्मण,
"O Brahman,
हम लोग की जो है भागवत कथा श्रवण कराइए
please
और
speak this Srimad Bhagavatam to us. In exchange, we will give Amrit, Parikshit Maharaj this nectar, this Amrit." Hearing this, Sukadeva Goswami Pad began to laugh.
देखो
Just see
देवता लोग कितने
how
चतुर हैं
very cunning the demigods are.
कांच के टुकड़े दे करके
They're giving broken pieces of glass and they want to attain this very priceless jewel.
हाँ सर्व की अमृत
Where, how can you compare the nectar of the heavenly planets to this Srimad Bhagavatam?
महिमा कौन समझता है?
Who will understand
अच्छा बताओ
the glories of the Srimad Bhagavatam?
इतने सुंदर श्रीमद् भागवत के लोग क्या चाहते हैं
What do they say about the Srimad Bhagavatam? They want to trade this with the nectar of the heavenly planets, this Amrit. This Amrit is not an ordinary thing by which you can attain the Lord Vishnu had to take four incarnations to get that nectar. The Lord Vishnu had to take 4 incarnations. Which ones? At the time of churning the ocean, the demigods and demons were churning the ocean. At that time, they took Manak Parvat, the mountain named Manak Parvat. He took the incarnation of the tortoise. Kurma Sharira Disha Hari. On his back they put the mountain. Otherwise the mountain would sink into the ocean. Then they needed a rope. Who was that rope? Lord took the form of Vasuki, the snake. And the Manak mountain was not ordinary, was the form of the Lord as well. And the fourth, when the nectar had manifested from the churning, then to attain that, the demigods and the demons, they started to argue that we want this. At that time, Lord Vishnu appeared as the form of Mohini and served the demigods with this nectar, but he cheated the demons. What's the nature of the demons? To destroy others. Just to get this nectar, the Lord had to take 4 incarnations. That nectar Indra brought that nectar and requested for it to be given to Parikshit Maharaj, and in exchange they asked Shukadeva Goswami to recite the Srimad Bhagavatam to the demigods. Just see how cunning the demigods are. Just by listening to the Srimad Bhagavatam, they can attain the abode of the Lord directly. But by drinking the nectar of the heavenly planets, they become immortal. But still, it would increase the lust and anger in the heart. There's evidence to this. For this reason, Shukadeva Goswami Pad said, Who is qualified to listen to this? Only Parikshit Maharaj is qualified to listen to this, the nectar of the Srimad Bhagavatam. So, for this reason, it is very rare even for the demigods to attain. It is not ordinary. Srimati Radhika herself says, Katham Tapta Jivanam Kahiritam Karma Sahapam Srimati Radhika is saying, O Krishna, O Govinda, your pastimes are nectarian, greatly nectarian. By hearing this, by drinking this Harikatha, the threefold miseries of material existence will be destroyed. Nothing else to do. Just listen. Adhyatmik, Adidevik, and Adibhautik. The distress from the demigods, the distress from other living entities, and the distress from the mind. The demigods, they glorify these katha. By chanting this Harikatha, one who recites it is known as the best donor. There are many donors in this material world. One who gives charity of clothes is known as a donor. But if once having given some clothes, then when they are worn out, you have to give some more after 4 months, 5 months. When somebody feeds somebody else in charity, after 2 hours, 3 hours, then again you have to feed them. But this Kathamritam, one who gives this in charity, just by listening, just once attains the abode of the Lord. In the Bhagavad Gita, the Lord says, one who attains my Lord never returns back to this material world. One who continually comes and goes and suffers the threefold miseries in this material world, but once having attained Golok Vrindavan Dham, they do not come back to this material world. Who wants to go? Put your hand up. Pavan Bihari Lal Jai, Radhe Jai Shri Radhe. That person who recites this Harikatha is called the best donor. How wonderful. In the Puranas, in various Puranas, these glories have been described. Great sinners, by listening to this Harikatha, they have become relieved of their sinful reactions. In previous histories, in Bharatvarsh, in South India, on the banks of the Tungabhadra river, there was one Brahmana by the name Atmadev. Will you remember? That Brahman was very wealthy, but he was very miserly. He had so much wealth. But in this age also many people are wealthy, but they do not want to spend their money. In this way, that Brahmana, Atmadev, What's his name? Atmadev Brahmana. He had a lot of wealth.
उनकी पत्नी भी बहुत सुंदरी थी।
His wife was also very beautiful.
पत्नी के नाम था
His wife was,
धुंधुली। क्या नाम
name
था?
was Dunduli.
नाम भी बहुत सुंदर था।
Very nice name,
क्या
Dunduli.
नाम था?
Dunduli.
देखने में बहुत सुंदरी
She was also very beautiful to look at,
और किंतु कलह प्रिया थी।
but
कलह क्या?
very quarrelsome.
हाँ?
Jagada.
लड़ाई करने वाली, झगड़ा करने वाली।
One who argues
किसी किसी को होता ही नहीं, क्या करना?
and causes problems for others. Husbands sometimes are good, but the wife sometimes is bad,
झगड़ा करना,
quarrelsome.
क्या करना?
What to do?
सबके भाग में मिलता है।
Well, everyone is
पुण्य
destiny.
भाग्य
Bhaja.
भाग्य भाज्य
Ja.
तपे राजा।
And this saying
लिखा गया,
is literally in Shastra. If your fortune is good, then you'll have a good son.
फ्लोर में झाड़ू देने वाली पत्नी मिलेगी।
You'll have
हर
to
काम करेगी।
a good wife who does all her duties.
ऐसी हो,
But if your fortune is
फ्लोर में
such
झाड़ू देगी,
that broom she uses to clean the floor,
पीठ पर झाड़ू देगी।
she will
फ्लोर में झाड़ू नहीं देगी।
sweep your back with it.
यही बात। तपे राजा,
Tape Raja.
पूर्व जन्म में जिन्होंने तपस्या आदि की,
Those kings who have performed great austerities in their previous lives
भाग्य तपे राजा और पुण्य
have attained their position. And those who have performed charity, they will get a good son.
पुत्रश्री यज्ञ आदि करते हैं।
There's one Putristri Yagya to attain a good son.
के जन्म तो सभी देते हैं।
Everyone gives birth
मनुष्य
to
से लेकर के
offsprings, animals, human beings,
ये कुतिया भी बच्चा को जन्म देते कि नहीं?
dogs. Kutta, ne?
संतान के जन्म देना, पालन पोषण
कुत्ता।
सभी प्राणी मात्र
Which gives
एक ही
birth to
देते
a
Huh?
puppy.
Bitch.
हैं। एक ही करते हैं।
Female dog.
Female dog.
Okay.
वैष्णव पुत्र जिसको प्राप्ति हो,
One who attains
साधारण नहीं है।
Krishna as their son is not an ordinary thing.
भागवत में यही तो बताते जा रहे
In the
हैं।
Srimad Bhagavatam, it's explained
पुत्र संतान प्राप्ति होती है, किंतु कैसे संतान होनी चाहिए?
what type of offspring should we have. We should have a Vaishnava child, one who
जननी कितार्थ
Janani Kitartha.
किसी कुल में एक केवल वैष्णव
In
संतान
any one's dynasty, one Vaishnava,
वंश क्या हो जाता है?
their dynasty becomes liberated.
शास्त्र में ऐसे ही कहा है।
In the Shastra,
केवल
it
वैष्णव
is
संतान को जन्म देना
stated that by giving birth to a Vaishnava child,
7 पीढ़ियां
7 generations are liberated.
कुलम पवित्र और मध्यम अधिकारी भक्त यदि वैष्णव हो,
If that devotee is Madhyam Vaishnava, then 14 generations are liberated on their father's side and mother's side.
दोनों कुल अपने आप उत्तम हो जाते।
Both
वो संतान यदि उत्तम भाग
dynasties are liberated. But if that devotee is Uttam Bhagavad, then
21 पीढ़ियां
21 generations are liberated.
इसे संतान को जन्म देना
Therefore, to give birth
वास्तव शास्त्र में ही था।
to such a
पांडवों
child,
के कितने पुत्र हुए थे?
the Pandavas have how many children? 5. They were all devotees.
युधिष्ठिर, भीम, अर्जुन, नकुल
Yudhishthir, Bhim, Nakul, Sahadev,
और धृतराष्ट्र के कितने पुत्र
Arjun.
हुए?
And Dhritarashtra had 100 sons. But how were they?
और दुष्ट
All demons.
दुशासन
Duryodhan, Dushashan.
पापों की मूर्ति
They were embodiment of sin.
वंश के ध्वंस हो गए।
Their dynasty was
हम
destroyed.
इसलिए कहें
So, for this reason,
ये वैष्णव संतान हो।
we should have a Vaishnava child.
ऐसे ही लिखा गया, पुण्य पुत्र भक्ति
So, for this reason, it said,
जैसे जैसे पूरे दिन में तपस्या आदि,
as we have performed austerities in our past life,
जैसे जैसे दान
that
आदि,
and by performing charity, we have attained this birth
इसलिए
for this reason,
शास्त्र की विचार
by the conception of the scriptures.
किंतु देखो आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण
But
उनकी
Atmadev
संतान
Brahman,
नहीं।
he did not have any children. He had so much wealth.
अंत में मन मन विचार करने
In the
लगे
end, he thought,
कि मैं मर जाने के बाद ये सब ये धन किस में काम में आएगा?
who can I give my wealth to when I die? Who can I leave my wealth to?
ऐसे विचार में सोच क्या
Thinking like
पुनः
this,
वो दान पुण्य आदि करने लगे
he started to give in charity.
किंतु ऐसे करते
But still-
करते उनके जीवाकाल से ढल गए वृद्ध काल आने लगा।
Uparakt,
तब मन में बहुत
uparakt,
ग्लानि हुई।
uparak.
विचार करने लगे हाय हाय
Acha, acha.
मेरे जीवन का समाप्त होती जा रहा है।
Then my life is coming to an end.
इसलिए एक दिन मन मन विचार करने में मैं क्या करूँ
And then he thought, he was very unhappy. He was sitting in one solitary place. He was thinking about his life.
मेरे मृत्यु के पश्चात
After death,
चोर डकैत लूट करके ले जाएंगे
these thieves and rogues will take my wealth, or the government will take it.
मेरे पास तो पुत्र संतान नहीं।
I don't have any
इसी
children
प्रकार वो
to leave
चिंतन
it to.
करता है।
In this way he was thinking.
इतने समय एक संत महात्मा
At that time, one sadhu came.
प्रकट हुए। कौन? संत महात्मा साधु प्रकट हुए सन्यासी।
One sannyasi.
और संत महात्मा के देख करके
And seeing that
बहुत
sannyasi,
रोने लगे।
And he started to cry even more, sobbing.
लोग साधु की निगड़ी तो अपने भाव को प्रकट करते हैं।
Sadhus, people express
संत
their
महात्मा कहने लगे
condition to the sadhu.
बताओ क्यों रो रहे हो क्या
The
बात है?
sadhu said, "Why are you crying?"
महाराज,
He said,
मेरे
"Oh
पास
Maharaj,
पुत्र संतान नहीं है।
I don't have any children.
मेरे पास तो धन तगाद है,
I have so
बहुत
much
धन है।
wealth, but
किसी मेरे पास कोई संतान नहीं है।
I don't have any children."
संत महात्मा उनके समझाया
The sadhu explained to him,
तुम भगवान के भजन करो
"You perform devotional practice to the Lord.
जो कुछ आते हैं तो भाग में तो आ जाता है पूर्व
Whether
जन्म में जैसे
what will come will be due from your previous life's
ऐसा
activities.
नहीं मिलेगा।
Not, you will not get more, nor
आज
will you get
आपके
less.
भजन है कि नहीं है
Today, whether you will eat or
वो
not,
सब पूर्व निर्धारित है।
it has been predicted and is predestined.
कुछ भी करना
Whatever you say,
एक तो क्या आश्चर्य है
this is the amazing
हम
thing.
पूर्व जन्म में जैसे जैसे काम कार्य करके आए हैं
Whatever we have done in our previous lives, that we will get.
अधिक भी नहीं मिलेगा
We will not get more, no less.
कम भी नहीं मिलेगा किया अभिमान नहीं पाएगा
वो
होगा
आ
क्या
जाए
है,
वही
जैसे
जैसे राम जी को बहाएगा.
हम चाहते हैं हमें लाभ
We
हो जाए प्रतिष्ठा
want-
धन संपत्ति हमें प्राप्ति हो जाए
Fame, fortune, reputation, wealth.
प्रभु की कृपा सब कुछ
But by the mercy of the Lord, everything will come.
उनको मिलेगा
That we will get.
संत महात्मा उनके समझाया
The sadhu explained to him, "O Atmadev Brahman,
इस संसार की वस्तु छोड़ दीजिए माया मोह
don't
में
have
छोड़ दीजिए।
any desires for these things of this material
क्योंकि
world,
इस संसार की जितने भी वस्तु के हैं
because
नाशवान है
they are
और
temporary
दुखदायी भी है
and give suffering."
किंतु देखो जो कोई माया मोह में पड़ जाते हैं
But one who falls in this trap, with this desire, however much you explain to that person, it will not have any effect.
जब माया उनकी जब अच्छी
When
तरह से
Maya
डंडा मरेगी डंडा मरते ही माया देगी,
beats that person,
तब कुछ समझ में आता है
then maybe something he will
और नहीं
understand.
तो भी समझेगा नहीं।
Otherwise, he will not understand.
इसलिए गीता में संग भगवान
So in
कहते
Bhagavad Gita, the Lord says,
हैं कि किसी की विरुद्ध मौत का जब भेद मत करो
don't
न
prasansi,
बुद्धि भेदम जनेषु जो कर्मी जो है उसके कर्म में इसके लगा
one who is a karmi, fruitive worker, do not disturb them. Let them carry on performing fruitive activities.
कर्मानी कुर्मी तो तब
and give them encouragement.
जिसे कहते हैं तावत
Continue.
कर्माणि कुर्वितम। non-निर्विद्य बदाम, ऐसे कर्म करते करते
By doing these fruitive activities until he gets fed up and tired, he will not stop. So you should keep encouraging them in their activities. Just like one person is digging a mountain to get something, searching for something. And what did he find in the end? One small mouse. Working so hard, what do they get? One mouse. What's the meaning? Karma is like this. You're working so hard and you're getting a small result for it. O king, these suffering activities that cause miseries. Why we perform karma? To get happiness. But in the end, what do we get? Unhappiness. In this things of this material world are like this, like that. But we cannot stop our activities. Do not stop them. Do not stop a fruitive worker. Encourage them to do more and more. He gave so much instruction to Atmadev Brahman, but still he was not convinced. He wanted a child. At that time the sannyasi said, okay, I will give you one fruit. Give to your wife. The wife ate the fruit. After 1 year, your wife will give a birth to a beautiful son. Saying this, he gave the Atmadev Brahman one beautiful fruit. This is the glories of receiving a piece of fruit from the sadhu's hand. Atmadev Brahman took the fruit and Dunduli, such a nice name, gave it to Dunduli. By eating this fruit, you will become pregnant and you will give birth to a beautiful boy. But Dunduli thought, is this possible that by taking a piece of fruit you will become, you conceive a child? Is it possible? Where is it written? Dunduli was doubting, thinking everybody eats fruit, not everybody gets a child. This man, where does he come from, giving me this fruit and telling me that I will conceive a child? He's saying that one sadhu gave it to me. Yet still, if I did take this fruit and I conceived a child, then I won't be able to walk properly. But what if the child is upside down in the womb? Then I may risk my life. I may die. We hear in the hospital so many reports of such cases. At the time of giving birth, the mother leaves her body, dies. Is it not? Dunduli was thinking like this. I like tasty food.
हो सकता है हमें खा नहीं पाऊंगा।
I won't be able to eat what I want, what I desire.
अनेक प्रकार के वो विचार
So
हैं।
many thoughts came into her mind.
कहीं गर्भधारण हो, गर्भ में बच्चा आ गया और
If-
चोर डकैत आ गया,
If
दौड़ के
I
भाग नहीं
conceived a child and there was a thief in the house, I will not be able to run away.
पाऊंगा।
The thief would kill me.
क्या किया?
So like this, she was thinking.
दूर संपर्क कोई बहन
At that time, her
और देखो
distant relative, sister came,
ये पतिदेव भेजिए फल लेकर के आई।
and she expressed what her husband said to her.
उसे बहन भी ऐसे कहने लगी, देखो
This lady,
मैं गर्भवती हो चुकी हूँ।
I am expecting a child. Do one thing,
तो मुझे कुछ पैसा दे देना।
give me some money,
और
And
मैं जो अपने बच्चा को जन्म
when my child is born,
बच्चा को जन्म देती हूँ, उसमें रातों रात
at that same time, I will send that child to you.
और तुम देखो लोग दूसरे के दिखाने के लिए
And in the
पेट में
meantime,
कुछ कपड़ा बंद करके रखना।
just to show others, tie some cloth around your waist.
उनकी सहेली कहने लगी, ये बात
Her friend
देखो धुंधली ने क्या
said,
की?
"Oh, okay."
वो फल को क्या की? गाय को खिलाया।
Well, Dundali, she gave the fruit to the cow,
और धुंधली अपने पेट में थोड़ा
And
कपड़ा
then
जो है बंद करके रखे।
Dundali tied some cloth and showed to others that she was expecting a child.
आश्चर्य की बात।
And such a wonderful thing
और
happened.
उसकी गाय
That cow,
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण की गाय भी
Atmadev Brahman's cow, was also pregnant.
और देखते देखते
And
9 महीने 10 दिन
after 9 months, 10 days,
आत्मदेव की गाय जो है
Atmadev's
वो भी
cow
गाय एक
gave
मानव शिशु के जन्म में
gave a
मानव शिशु देखने में बहुत सुंदर है।
birth to
केवल उसके
a
कान जो
human
है
being.
गाय के भांति है।
that only his ears were in the shape of a cow,
संत महात्मा के दिए हुए
because the scriptures say what the sadhu has given you will not go in waste.
देखो फल किसने खाई?
See who ate the fruit? The cow. And the cow gave birth to a human, a beautiful boy.
और उसके कान केवल
Just his ears were like cows. And Atmadev Brahman gave that child Gokarna. Gokarna, remember,
गाय के भांति कान होने के नाते
because his
उस बालक के
ears were
नाम
like a
रखा
cow.
गया,
Karna means
गोकर्ण।
ears. Gokarna, one with cow-like
ठीक उसी
ears.
समय भगवान की
At that time, by the
और
Lord's will,
की जो बहन जो है,
that the sister of Dundali
उन्होंने भी एक
at that
बालक के जन्म
night
दिया
gave
और
birth
उस
to
बालक के
a child
धुंधली
and
की
brought
बहन
that child to Dundali.
और धुंधली विचार कर दिया
And Dundali
मैं भी
said,
एक बालक के जन्म दिया।
I gave birth to this child.
गांव के लोग देख करके आश्चर्य हुए।
The villagers became amazed.
ये भगवान जिसको देते हैं क्या कैसे देते हैं?
Wow, wonderful.
फाड़ करके देते हैं।
The Lord, when He gives something to somebody, He gives in great abundance.
ब्राह्मण की गाय भी एक
Even look, just the cow of Atmadev gave a birth to a child like a human being.
और उसकी पत्नी भी
And his wife gave birth to a child.
आत्मदेव की पता नहीं था
Atmadev did not know what
देखो, दोनों बालक के
was going on.
ब्राह्मण संस्कार भी कराया।
He gave name ceremonies
गाय के
to
बच्चे भी उसका नाम रखा
the
गया,
children.
गोकर्ण।
The cow's child was known as Gokarna, and his wife's child
हैं?
Dundukari.
धुंधुकारी। माँ के नाम के साथ अच्छी
In relation to his mother's name, Dunduli
बेटा की है।
and Dundukari. Just like mother, just like son.
आश्चर्य की बात। आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण बहुत प्रसन्न हुए जिसके घर में
Atmadev Brahman was very happy
बालक भी जन्म दिया।
that a beautiful boy had come to his house. Not one, but
भगवान
two.
उसको देते हैं, कैसे देते हैं?
Just like he's saying, when the Lord gives, He gives in great abundance.
ये भी प्रभात है।
It's a
समय
proverb.
कम है, इसकी तरफ नहीं जा रहे।
We're not going that way.
ऐसे
The
करके
time is short.
दोनों बालक एक साथ ही
Both boys grew up together,
दोनों बालक की स्वभाव
but
विपरीत दिखाई पड़ा।
both characters, the character of both children were very
वो
different.
बहुत धीर स्थिर स्वभाव
That child was born from the cow was very calm, quiet, and very kind to others,
वेद पाठ आदि
was chanting the Veda mantras, reciting,
धार्मिक बालक थे।
and was religious
महात्मा की कृपा से
by the mercy of the sadhu.
और गाय से थे।
But
धुंधली की जब पुत्र हुई,
Dundali's child, Dundukari,
धुंधुकारी वो कैसे हुई?
How was he?
बिल्कुल
totally opposite to them.
हाँ,
Rascal, rogue,
बचपन से छोटा
from young
गलत
age,
काम करना।
he was always misbehaving.
एक बात बताता हूँ, शास्त्र
So
में
listen.
एक बात बताता हूँ।
Something from the scriptures.
संस्कार जो है, ये
The
सब कुछ कहाँ से मिलता है?
sanskars, the impressions that a child has,
बालक जब मातृगर्भ में रहता है,
come from
70%
the time of the child being in the mother's womb. 70% of these impressions are created at that time.
मातृगर्भ से हम लोग दूसरे के दोष लगाते हैं।
We accuse others,
शास्त्र में कहा
but
जाता
in our
है,
scriptures it is said,
जब माता के गर्भ में जब
when the
बालक
child
जब
is in
बालक जब आया,
the womb of its mother,
उस समय माताओं
at
की
that time,
बहुत
the mothers have to be very careful
शास्त्र आदि,
and
चिंतन आदि, भगवत चिंतन आदि,
remain composed, calm, quiet, contemplating reading the scriptures.
बालक की वो संस्कार
As the mother does, then those impressions goes to the child. We do not know. So in this katha, the pastimes of Prahlad Maharaj, he gives this instruction to them. In the 7th canto we will describe. Prahlad Maharaj said, how I am due to what I listened to in my mother's womb. He said, you were born in the family of demons and I also. But I lived in the ashram. You lived in the ashram, Sundar and Amarka. They do not recite the Srimad Bhagavatam. So, but the boys were asking Prahlad, how you heard or know all these things? And Prahlad Maharaj said, these impressions I got from my guru, Narad Rishi. But Narad Rishi does not come here in this ashram. Prahlad Maharaj said, when I was in the womb of my mother at that time, Narad Rishi spoke to me while I was in the womb of my mother. I heard this Harikatha from him. For this reason in Shastra it is said, these impressions are very important. How many weapons are in the hands of Devi Durga? 10 weapons. Das Bhuja. And 8, sometimes 8 hands, sometimes 10. Like you are worshipping Durga Ashtami. I am not criticizing, it's very good. But this Durga Devi, this 8-armed form of Durga, these 8 weapons or 10 weapons, why she keeps? She, those who do not have these impressions at the time of death, this Durga Devi, by her 10 weapons, she punishes that living entity.
करते हैं, व्रत करते हैं,
We fast,
हम जानते नहीं।
but we do not know why.
इसलिए शास्त्र में लिखा गया है,
So it is written in scriptures.
ये संसार एक कारागार है,
This material world is like a prison house.
कारागार है, जेल में हम सब हैं।
Jail.
ये दुर्गा देवी
This Durga Devi, she is the superintendent
रक्षा करती है जेल
of this jail, prison house. Try to understand this very carefully. In the scriptures it is said,
जब मातृगर्भ गर्भ संस्कार से लेकर के
When
मृत्यु संस्कार तक 10 प्रकार के संस्कार
then when at the time of conception, right up to the time of leaving the body, there are many sanskaras, many ceremonies to be performed. There are 10 types of ceremonies that need to be performed.
तब उसमें क्या होगा?
If one does not have those, then Durga Devi punishes such a person.
सत्क्रिया सार जिनका ग्रंथ
In
में
Satkriya Sar Deepika,
वर्णन है, संस्कार
book,
गर्भधारण संस्कार से लेकर के
these sanskaras are described from conception to the time of death,
प्रधान संस्कार होता है।
or called samsan, crematorium.
संस्कार करते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं?
When the body is burnt, it's called Daha Sanskar.
ये सत्य में लिखा गया है।
It is described and written in the scriptures.
हम इसलिए करें संत प्रहलाद
So,
महाराज करने लगे
Prahlad
जब मातृ
Maharaj
गर्भ में था।
Is saying, when I was in the womb of my mother Kayadu,
गर्भ के लक्ष्य करके स्वयं नारद ऋषि
Narad spoke to her,
सुना है,
and I also listened.
सब गर्भ में रह करके ही मैं सुन लिया। इसलिए शास्त्र में लिखा गया है।
So it is written in scriptures.
हम इसलिए कह रहे हैं
Why I'm saying this?
धुंधुली
Because Dunduli,
है, धुंधुकारी के पुत्र हो गया कौन?
Dunduli's putra. Dunduli ki putra, Dundukari.
धुंधुली के पुत्र हुए
Dundukari.
धुंधुकारी। और धुंधुकारी का स्वभाव कैसे हुआ?
How Dundukari's nature
दुष्ट स्वभाव।
was a rascal from a very young age.
एक व्यक्ति कैसे होगा नहीं होगा
We can tell how a person is going to be by their behavior from a young age.
वो दुष्ट ऐसे ही था,
He was a rascal,
शराब पीने से
Drinking
लेकर के
alcohol
कर्ज आदि करने लगे।
and other abominable activities.
इस पे चक्कू भी चला देते।
He used to even stab his friends and steal from them. He's just a small child, but he was so badly behaved. Where did these sanskars come from?
ये हमारे 70%, 70%
That's why we say 70% of our impressions come from the time we are in our mother's womb,
मातृ समझ और बाकी जो
and the rest,
30%
30%
संस्कार जो है
impressions come from
हमारे
our surroundings.
समझने के प्रयास करो।
Try to understand this.
इसलिए
For this reason, Srimad Bhagavatam, in many different places, this has been described.
देखो ये धुंधुकारी कैसे हो गए?
Dundukari was a rascal.
दुष्ट स्वभाव है। और गोकर्ण
Rascal.
साधु स्वभाव।
He was very bad behaved.
पहले मैं बोल चुका वेद अध्ययन
But
विनयी बहुत नम्र
Gokarna was very calm, quiet.
मान देने वाले
He was studying the Vedas.
देखो कैसे ये धुंधुकारी इतने दुष्ट है पिताजी के हर रोज पीटना
But
शुरू कर दिया
it was totally different, opposite. He was beating his father, and he was asking money from his father. And if he did not give, he was beat his father. Such a
और उसके संग भी ऐसे नहीं
stupid nonsense child.
दुष्ट संग भी शराब पीने वाले
Drinking alcohol,
ऐसे लोगों की उसके संग गांजा भांग
taking drugs,
रहने वाले ऐसे व्यक्ति के संग दुष्ट संग।
intoxicants.
रात 12 बजे
At midnight, he used to return
कभी शराब पी करके आ जाए,
after
खाली
drinking
गलास सुन करते हैं,
and was swearing, beating his father, giving money.
अंत में पिताजी
In the end,
विचार करने लगे क्या
his father was lamenting,
यदि पुत्र संतान नहीं होती तो
if I did not have a child, it would have been better.
ये कहाँ से आ गई?
Where did this child come from?
ये मेरे पत्नी यदि बांझ होते, बांझ
If my wife was barren,
हाय हाय,
this would have been better. Barren.
अंत में ब्राह्मण विचार करने का
He thought to himself,
वो करने के कहने लगे,
he told
मुझे बताओ मैं क्या
Gokarn,
करूं?
he asked him, what should I do? At that time,
अपने
Gokarn said,
पिता, ये कहने लगे, पिता,
he gave some advice to his father and told him the nature of this material world is full of suffering, that he should renounce and perform devotional practice.
पूरे संसार में वही पिता है, वही माता है,
That person who in this life is a true father, a true son,
सम्मान करते हैं
who
और सद उपदेश
respects their elders and gives good instruction. In this way, Gokarna gave good instruction to his father and instructed him to perform devotional practice. This material world is temporary and should perform devotional practice. In the end, Atmadev Brahman, he left that place and stayed with the sadhus and performed this devotional practice. Here, Dundukari became older, and now he started to hassle his mother. Where did my father keep his money? Give me that money. And he started to beat his mother. In the end, Tundali committed suicide. Gokarna saw this and also left that place and went to perform his devotional practice. Here, Dundukari saw that the house was empty now, there's no money. He started to steal. And he kept 5 prostitutes in his house. One day, Dundukari, he stole some money from the king's treasury, and he was showing these 5 prostitutes what he had stolen. Seeing this, they realized where and whose wealth this was, and they thought the king's soldiers would come searching for that, and they would be caught. They will beat us and they will beat Dundukari. In this way, the 5 prostitutes decided that when Dundukari was asleep, they tied his hands and legs tightly and tied a cloth on his mouth and beat him badly. So much so, still he did not give up his life. In the end, what do they do in the end? They put fire in his mouth, and like this, Dundukari left his body. The 5 prostitutes, took his dead body and put it in a nearby well and put a stone over the opening of the well. And that night, those 5 prostitutes left that place.
ऐसी मृत्यु जिसके हो जाता है वो क्या बनते हैं?
When somebody leaves their body like this, then they become ghosts in spirit.
भूत कौन बनता है? जो दुष्कर्म करता है,
One who does sinful activities takes on ghostly body.
उसके मृत्यु के पश्चात उसके भूत जनी पिशाचिनी हो जाता है।
Such a person gets a ghostly body.
धुंधुकारी क्या बने?
Dhundhukari became a ghost.
पिशाच हो गया, भूत बन गया। और भूत होकर के देखो उसी गांव में लोगों को
Becoming a
सताने
ghost,
लगे।
he started to harass the locals
अंधकार रास्ते में कोई आ रहे हैं,
at night.
निकट में उसके पास खड़े हो
He
जाते
used to
हैं। भूत कभी भी किसी से नहीं डरता है।
he used to harass those.
तो आप लोग सुनिए ना, भूत पिशाच
You've heard
चुड़ैल,
witches,
भूत में से चुड़ैल लेके आते हैं, बिल्कुल आप जैसे हैं।
or they look, they take on different forms, just like yourself.
आपके पत्नी को कहाँ छुपा देंगे? और
They-
ठीक आपके पत्नी के रूप धारण
They
करवा
will
देंगे।
hide your wife, and they will take the form of your wife and present themselves in front of you, but they're actually a witch.
चुड़ैल, चुड़ैल, चुड़ैल बोलते हैं ना?
Witch.
हाँ? बिल्कुल आपके साथ बात ऐसी की।
And they will speak to you just like your own wife.
आपको पता नहीं चलेगा।
You will not know the difference.
और आप सारी खून को क्या करोगे?
They will suck your blood slowly.
बिल्कुल आपके साथ नहीं कर अंत में मार जाए।
They will drink your blood and kill you.
धुंधुकारी क्या बनी अभी?
Dhundhukari
भूत बनी।
became a ghost
गाँव में
and,
लोगों को सताने लगे।
and he started to harass the locals at
कभी
night.
आग की बहादुरी प्रकट हो जाए।
Sometimes he used to present himself in front of them like a fire.
कभी जोर जोर से
Sometimes
हंसते रहता, हाँ,
he used
हाँ,
to
हाँ, हाँ।
laugh loudly.
लोगों के घर में पत्थर आदि फेंकने
He used to
लगे।
throw stones at the houses.
गांव के सब भयभीत हो गए।
All the villagers became
कुछ लोग तो गांव से
frightened.
भाग के भी चले
Some
गए।
left that village.
ऐसे करते करते सारे गांव
Like
बिल्कुल
this.
सन्नाटा।
The
दो चार
village
लोग
became empty. Maybe one or two
और
people.
बाकी सारे लोग
The rest had left.
इधर गोकर्ण
Here Gokarna,
करते करते
traversing different holy places.
कई साल तो बीत गए।
After 1 year,
मैं अपने गांव के दर्शन
he returned to his
ये गोकर्ण
home.
भ्रमण करते करते ठीक अपने वही गृह में आ गए। देखा तो गृहद्रह है
He saw
उसमें
the house.
पड़ा हुआ था। चलो
There was
विचार
one
करके रात में ये विश्राम करते
bed outside the house.
हैं। और बिल्कुल
The house, nobody was there.
खटिया में जाकर के
So he lay down on that bed.
गोकर्ण विश्राम करने लगे।
He
रात
rested
12 बजे। कितने
at
बजे?
midnight.
रात 12 बजे। और वो क्या कर रहे हैं? हाथ को जो है खटिया को ऐसे
Dhundhukari started to shake the bed
और कभी वो हा 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 हा
and scream, make noises, ghostly noises.
गोकर्ण विचार करने लगे, कौन है तुम?
And Gokarna thought, who are you? Who is this? Show yourself.
गोकर्ण भजन करने वाले व्यक्ति
He was a devotee.
के साथ दो व्यक्ति के पास आ जाता है।
The ghost comes to two persons.
एक व्यक्ति के कम
One
में
person.
होता है ना, राशि कम हो जाता है।
One
उसके
who's
ऊपर वो सवार हो जाता है।
has a poor character.
इसके ऊपर सवार इसलिए हो जाता है।
He comes to
इसी
them.
प्रकार से हमें इस भूत पिशाच जन से मुझे उद्धार कर दे। इसके यही कारण रहता है।
And the other person he comes to is to a person who is able to give him relief.
अग्नि पुराण में भी लिखा
Because
है,
in Agni Puran it is said
भूत पिशाच जनी उसी काल से बहुत कष्ट होता है।
the ghostly body is very painful body.
ग्रंथ है उसमें लिखा है।
It is written
पुराण आदि में
in Agni Puran like this described.
पानी है, पानी पी नहीं पाते।
They cannot drink water. They are thirsty, but they are suffering in this ghostly body. Don't ever commit suicide in your life. Those who commit suicide after many lifetimes, again and again, they have to suffer in such a body.
लोग कहते हैं भाई ये संसार में और
Many people
क्या करें?
become morose, depressed, and they take their life,
सुसाइड कर ले
commit suicide, but they do not know but by committing suicide what their consequences are, that they have to get this ghostly body.
अनेक कथा में आएंगे वो करने के लिए तुम कौन हो तो बताओ
Gokarna said, "Who are you? Come in front of me."
तब उस समय
Then
वो कहने लगे भैया मैं तुम्हारी भाई हूँ
the Gokarna said, "I am your brother."
मेरे इस प्रकार
Dundukari said, "I am your brother.
जिस मृत्यु होने से
By my
ये पिशाच ने
the way I died, I took this ghostly body.
ये मेरे मुझे उद्धार करो
Please deliver me from this ghostly body."
भूत के सारे पता है उनके सूक्ष्म शरीर हैं
The ghost knows because he has the subtle body.
पिशाच लोग भी सुन रहे हैं
There are ghosts here, they would be listening.
सारे पता है
They know.
ज्ञान है कोई करने लगे भैया मुझे उद्धार करो
Oh, my dear brother, save me from this body.
उद्धार कर दो भैया तब देखो गोकर्ण उनको बोले अच्छा ठीक है
Gokarna
प्रातः
said,
काल
"Okay,
होने
tomorrow
दो।
morning
प्रातः काल होने के बाद गांव वाले के निकट गए पूछा
he asked the
गांव वाले लोग भी
villages
बताया,
what
तुम्हारे
happened,
भाई जिस दिन
and they explained
वो
when
चले
your
गए, पता नहीं है, और इस
brother
गांव में
left,
कि हमने किस बात में अगर
and
फंसा
from that time on we have been harassed by this ghost. What Gokarna then said to his brother to deliver him from the ghostly body, he performed Shraddh ceremony in many different holy places. Pitru Paksh, just like we've just passed through this phase in the year called Pitri Paksh. Every year they perform Pindadan, but still nothing happens. They still carry on performing this Pitri Paksh. For this, in this way, Gokarna performed many Shraddh ceremonies to for the benefit of his brother, but still nothing worked. For an ordinary sinner, you can give Pindadan in Gaya and that person would be liberated. Is written in scriptures. But only for ordinary sinners. But this great sinner, such a ceremony will not work. Gokarna went to all the Kasi, Kanchi, all the holy places. He performed Pindadan, but still nothing was successful. How to deliver Dundukari? Then he started to worship Suryadev. And Suryadev said, "Oh Gokarna, listen, your brother is a great sinner. This simple ceremony of Shraddh, Pindadan, is not going to work. I'll give you one solution. For 7 days," he said, Suryadev said, recite the Srimad Bhagavatam to him. 7 days. If very carefully reciting, and he listens very carefully, not that he listens one day and doesn't listen the next day, and half listening and half not like this. How should one listen to Srimad Bhagavatam? With following rules and regulations, very in a fixed way. Gokarna, what did he do? He recited the Srimad Bhagavatam to his brother, and amazingly,
और एक निकट में एक बांस की जो
And he
है,
placed one bamboo stick near him
7 गांठ
with 7 knots.
7 नोट, 7 गांठ, 7 नोट है गांठ। एक एक दिन भागवत कथा सुनाने
After
लगे,
each day,
एक बांस अपने आप
1 knot became
7 दिन
untied.
तक देखो, और 7 दिन के बाद
And after 7 days,
अपने आप
the 7 knots opened.
साक्षात
And
एक देव शरीर पकड़ से
one transcendental demigod's body manifest,
प्रेत जन के छोड़ करके एक
leaving
देव
his ghostly body, attained a divine body of the demigods, and
वैकुंठ से एक दिव्य
from
विमान
Vaikuntha,
प्रकट हुए।
a vehicle from Vaikuntha came
और उस विमान
to
में
take him.
बैठ-
He
बैठ
sat
करके
on that and he attained the abode of the Lord.
सच्चा जितने भी श्रोता लोग थे, देखो कितने
Oh,
दिन साथ थी।
The listeners, other listeners,
सब देख रहे थे।
they could see.
ये कैसे संभव हुआ?
How is this possible?
ये 7 दिन कथा श्रवण करके
Listening to the Harikatha 7 days.
सुनने वाले थे, बोले तुम्हारे भाई भी कथा सुनी,
You, brother, listened to Harikatha, and we also listened,
तुमने अपने भाई को क्या की,
but
मंत्रपुत करके मंत्र के द्वारा
by mantras, you called him,
बुलाए।
you called your brother,
और 7 दिन श्रवण किया।
and we also listened for 7 days,
विमान नहीं आया।
but no vehicle came for us, but the vehicle came for your brother. And where did your brother go? To Vaikuntha. Why?
देखो शास्त्र में इस समय सुंदर एक कथा सुनाई। आप लोग तो श्रवण किया,
You are listening to Harikatha,
श्रवण नहीं किया, श्रवण
but you are not remembering.
कथा श्रवण से
Not only by listening, one
तो नहीं होगा।
has
श्रवण के
to
साथ क्या करना पड़ेगा?
remember
चिंतन करना पड़ेगा,
and
मनन
contemplate. And
करना। ये आज क्या कथा सुन करके गए।
what did I listen today?
फिर काल आकर के आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा?
And then tomorrow you'll have to
मनन करना, चिंतन करना पड़ेगा।
remember.
नहीं तो यहाँ पर कथा समाप्त तो हो गया।
And now, if you go from here, after listening to Harikatha, give some dakshina and
क्या?
go leave this place.
आपने जो सुना वही आपकी
So, Gurudev, whatever I've heard, I'm giving back to you as dakshina. No, not like this. Whatever you hear, you should contemplate all night.
फिर काल
And then tomorrow,
आपके फिर से।
and tomorrow,
किंतु देव से कार्य
come and again listen, again remember.
श्रवण का साथ ही साथ स्मरण भी।
He not only listened, Dundukari, but he also remembered.
किसने कथा सुन लिया, किसने कथा
So many kathas we have listened and recited, but nothing has happened.
श्रवण तक किया, सुना तो श्रवण,
We heard,
किंतु
but
स्मरण नहीं
we
किया।
did not remember, we did not contemplate on the topics.
श्रवण तो नहीं हो फलम।
So that's why in scriptures is said that fruit will be achieved when we remember and contemplate what we have heard.
इस जो शास्त्र में इसे लिखा है, श्रीमद् भागवत केवल 7 दिन श्रवण करना है।
Just by listening to Srimad Bhagavatam 7 days in this
बस
way,
बैठो बस।
just listen
देखो
and
सब करता है।
contemplate.
महात्मा इतने कहा जाता है।
This is in the glories of the Srimad Bhagavatam.
इतने सुंदर सुंदर कथा भी है।
So many
और
wonderful
एक
Harikatha is there.
और एक कथा
One.
सुनाता हूँ।
I'll just explain one more.
एक संत महात्मा
Once a
किसी
sadhu
धनी के घर में गए,
went to the house of a wealthy person
लेने के लिए।
for begging
वो
alms.
व्यक्ति इतने दुष्ट था,
That person was such a
वो
a
संत
rascal.
महात्मा ने दिया ही नहीं कुछ।
He did not
और
give
संत
the sadhu
महात्मा
anything.
संकट है ना, वो एक पत्थर उठाया,
He took one stone
पत्थर उठा करके संत महात्मा
and
की
threw it at the sadhu.
तरफ फेंकने लगा, मारने लगा। संत महात्मा ने
The
क्या
sadhu
किया,
took that stone
उस पत्थर पे उठा करके लेकर गया। संत महात्मा ने
And
पत्थर को जो है भगवत सेवा में लगा दिया।
engaged that stone in the service of Thakurji. What did he do with the
देखो,
stone?
संत महात्मा ने किया कि उस पत्थर को जो है, जिस पत्थर उन्होंने फेंका था, उस पत्थर को लेकर के ठाकुर जी की सेवा में लगा।
He's used that stone in the service of Thakurji. What service? By grinding sandalwood paste.
और उसके ऊपर चंदन घिसने लगा। देखो ठाकुर की सेवा आ गया कि नहीं?
That is
लकड़ी होते ना घिसते।
that sandalwood we grind on a stone. That stone the sadhu used to grind sandalwood. Whatever the sadhu finds, he engages in the service of the Lord. In this way. So after some time, that rich man died. Then he went to the Jamai law. Everyone has to go to the abode of Yamaraj. Yamlo. Everyone, there's CCTV. You cannot do anything. There is one clerk of Jan Maharaj. You know his name by Chitragupta. Just like his name, Chitragupta. Literally, this means like drawing in disguise or drawing secretly, recording secretly what has been seen. That he records like a video, live recording, live recording is taking place. When you go to Jamlok, Chitragupta will show you. He'll show to Yamaraj, this person has done this and this at this time in that place, good or bad. Everything will be recorded. That person who died was taken to Yamaraj. And Yamaraj said to Chitragupta, tell me about this man. Chitragupta said, this person is such a rascal. He has committed many sinful activities. He should be punished. Listening this, his heart, Yamaraj's heart became melted. He did not commit any pious activities. No, he is a rascal. In life, he did not give one single paisa in charity to any sadhu. He actually threw a stone at a sadhu. He did not give anything. Like a buffalo. He was a rascal. Chitragupta said to Yamaraj, he is a rascal, sinful person. Then Yamaraj said, again, check. He was surprised that he had not done any charitable activity in his life. He did not perform any pious activities. But he saw that something, it had written that he had thrown a stone at a sadhu. That sadhu, what did he do? He engaged in the service of the Lord, grinding sandalwood. This is pious activity. Then, according to the conceptions of Yamaraj, at least he gave this stone in charity. But he threw the stone to hurt the sadhu. But the sadhu, what did he do? He engaged that stone in the service of the Lord. Do one thing. For eternity, he should be placed in the hellish planet. And for 24 minutes, he should be taken to Swarga, heavenly planets, for what he had done. Which place do you want to go first? Yamaraj said,
नरक जाना पड़ेगा और
one you will have to go to Swarg or go to hell eternally.
पहली कहाँ
So,
जाना चाहते हैं?
where do you want to go first?
नरक का
That man was very clever, very cunning, very clever.
अनंत काल के लिए नरक में
I'm going to go to hell anyway for eternity. I might as well go to...
नरक
Oh, where are you going?
वो बोले हमें पहले स्वर्ग में भेज दिया जाए
Please take me to Swarg, heavenly planets first.
इसके स्वर्ग के दरवाजा पर लेकर छोड़ करके आओ
He told the attendants of Yamaraj, his servants, take this person to the gates of heaven and leave him there, drop him there. And for 24 minutes he should
24 मिनट के बाद स्वर्ग से यहीं पर आ जाए
collect him again
बाहर आ जाए
and bring him back.
वो व्यक्ति क्या कि स्वर्ग के अंदर गए
He went into the heavenly planets through the gates.
एक देखो स्वर्ग में
He
एक
saw.
विष्णु मंदिर है देखो
He saw one Vishnu temple.
भगवान के मंदिर तो है
In heavenly planets there is the temple of Vishnu. But who performs devotional practice there?
जैसे कुछ लोग होते हैं
Just like some people,
संडे के दिन एक बार कोई मंदिर में
they maybe go to Sunday, the temple, and
दर्शन करके आए।
go have darshan and come back.
ठीक उसी प्रकार से
In this way,
शास्त्र में भी लिखा गया है।
in the scriptures it is said that in the heavenly planets there are temples, but everybody is engaged in sense gratification. There's so much wealth and so many opportunities to enjoy.
मत लोग में जिसके पास पैसा होता है थोड़ी मंदिर में थोड़ी पैसा
Those people who have money in this world, they will not go to the temple. They'll go to Switzerland. They'll go to Switzerland, Sugarland,
सुगरलैंड
Disneyland, Disneyland.
डिज्नीलैंड बोले पैसा चलो नहीं तो कुछ
फिर-
नहीं हो कुछ क्या करें
Fin-
हनीमून
honeymoon,
हनीमून करना
anniversary,
है
anniversary, celebration.
कितने किसी पैसे
In so many
भगवत
places.
कथा में श्रवण
But they don't want to listen to Bhagavad Gita.
शास्त्र में ऐसे लिखा गया स्वर्ग में
So in scriptures it is written,
मंदिर सुंदर है
beautiful temples.
किंतु कौन जाएगा
Who will go to the temple?
एक संत महात्मा
One sadhu went,
वहाँ पर ठाकुर
was sitting there in front of the deity of the Lord and was reciting Srimad Bhagavatam.
देखा
He saw,
उस मंदिर में एक व्यक्ति भागवत पढ़ रहा है।
he was reciting Srimad Bhagavatam.
इच्छा हुई
And by the desire of the Lord,
भागवत के ये श्लोक में भी
in this
लिखा है
shloka, he was reading
ये देखो जहाँ पर भागवत कथा होती है,
where the Srimad Bhagavatam is being recited.
जम के बाप तक पहुँचेगी
Not even the Jamdutas, the servants of Yamaraj, can come, or even their father, the Lord Yamaraj, cannot come.
वहीं पर जम के दूध तक पहुँच नहीं पाए
And those Yamadutas cannot come. In this verse, in the Srimad Bhagavatam, by the rising of the sun and the setting of the sun, one day passes by and our life span is reduced. But how old are you? You say, oh, I am 60 years old. I am 80 years old, 90 years old. But you know, is your age increasing or decreasing? Your age is decreasing. Why? Because when you were born, from that very moment, it is destined how long you will be on this planet, how long you will be in this body. Even if you take poison and die, but you will only die at the predestined time, predicted time. How you will leave the body, where you will leave the body, when you will leave. It's written in your Janma Kundali, your astrological chart. When you take birth from your mother's womb, if you know, if you know that time and place exactly, then this birth astrological chart can be written. because our body is made of our activities from our previous life's activities, prarabdha karma. Whether we're destined to eat today or not, that we are destined to get, we will get. But if it's not written that you will eat today, whatever is presented in front of you, you will not be able to eat it. But especially if the Lord decides, then you will not be able to eat. However much millionaire you are, still you will not be eat. Maybe you have diabetes, high pressure, low pressure. You cannot even roti. What will you eat? Husk, oats. That husk from the grains, you will have to eat that. Even that you cannot eat. You cannot eat completely because your sugar level will rise. So even thousands of types of preparations are presented before you. Without the will of the Lord, you will not be able to eat it. So the saying is there, not a blade of grass moves without the will of the Lord. How? That will be according to our karma, our activities. Just today, just think, if you are destined to eat today or if you're not, some excuse will come, some reason will come that you will not be able to eat. Today you do not have this written in you, in your chart, that you will eat. It's not destined. Ayu harati punsan. Your age is decreasing at every passing of day and night. We are all going towards death. That we will explain later in the pastimes of Abhimanyu, the son of Subhadra, 16-year-old. He was caught, trapped in the Chakravyuh. Then he... Why did you not protect my son? Subhadra said. That passing of Abhimanyu, 16-year-old, that day was destined. The Lord who could do everything, but still He's teaching us. It's Subhadra's son. Subhadra is his sister, his sister's son. He taught Subhadra this lesson. You can ask this question. The Lord was present in the battle of Kurukshetra on the side of Arjun as his charioteer. The Lord knows everything. This is the law of material nature. And the Lord is teaching us that we have taken birth, and at that same time death is destined. Try to understand this very carefully. This is written in the Puranas. Like we are in this prison house. So we are saying the shloka of the Srimad Bhagavatam, where there is this recital of the Srimad Bhagavatam, even Yamdut cannot come there. As long as you're sitting at Harikatha, this is 100% guaranteed. in the Srimad Bhagavatam gives this evidence. Your age will not be decreased. 1 hour, 3 hours. These 3 hours, your age will not decrease. Listen, 7 days. 7 days you listened in this pandal. How many? Maybe 4 hours. Maybe 21 hours. These 21 hours, you will not have lost your age, or your age will not have decreased. Like your age will have increased by 1 day. If you sit in that pandal where the Srimad Bhagavatam is recited, your age will not diminish. Where the Srimad Bhagavatam is recited, there Yamadutas cannot come. So he's thinking, this man is thinking, I am sitting in the Srimad Bhagavat Katha. Time is passing, and outside the gates of heaven, the Yamadutas are waiting. The Yamadutas cannot go there. They're sitting outside. After 2 or 3 hours, they came outside. The Yamadutas became very angry. I gave you only permission to go 24 minutes, but you were 3 hours in there. The Yamadutas were very angry. They took him to Yamaraj. Oh, Maharaj, give him great punishment. He's the rascal. You gave him 24 minutes in heaven, but he stayed for 3 hours. Yamaraj, very lovingly, he asked him, tell me, my dear son, where were you? How did you spend your time in heaven? He said, I went to the heavenly planets. There was one temple there. There was the recital of Srimad Bhagavatam. There was nobody else there. And at that time, he was reciting this, that even listening to one word of the Srimad Bhagavatam, even remembering one shloka, then you will attain so much pious credits. Unbelievable. He listened. He was amazed that you were listening to Srimad Bhagavatam Katha. Recite one shloka. Did you hear? Kya well, recite one shloka. He recited one shloka. Kvaniti sabdade. Yamaraj became pleased at his recital of the Srimad Bhagavatam. And then the man was very clever. He asked Yamaraj, can I ask one question? Oh Maharaj, what is the fruit of listening to the Srimad Bhagavatam? I want to hear. Yamaraj then thought, I cannot tell you this. Hari's Katha is Ananta, eternal, transcendental. What is the fruits of listening to the Bhagavad Katha? Yamaraj said, where does that person go to the result of hearing Bhagavad Katha? He goes to Brahmalok. He goes to any of these Mahajans. Yamaraj said, we are 12 Mahajans. We know everything. But who heard the Srimad Bhagavatam first? Brahmaji heard it first. Narayan recited the Srimad Bhagavatam in the form of Chatur Shloki, 4 shlokas. to Lord Brahma.
कृष्ण ही दे चतुर्भुज
Mukha.
मन कृष्ण सेवन
Brahma hoite Narada Ramata.
यही भागवत कथा
This Bhagavatam was recited to Sri Brahma, and Narad Rishi explained it to Vyasadeva. Tomorrow we will explain.
इसलिए जब महाराज बोले चलो ब्रह्मा जी के पास चलते हैं
So they went to Brahmaji,
ब्रह्मा जी के पास
to the four-headed Brahma.
बोले ये व्यक्ति सुनना चाहते हैं
This person wants to know what are the fruits of listening to Bhagavad Katha.
मैं ठीक से नहीं बोल रहा हूं।
Brahma said, I cannot explain completely. Let's go to
कथा सर्वथा कीर्तन कौन करते हैं
Mahadev. He recites and speaks. He recites and he is the Srimad Bhagavatam. Shivji is the greatest of all Vaishnavas.
कौन है शिवजी महाराज
Shivji Maharaj is the greatest of all Vaishnavas.
शिवजी महाराज स्वयं शिवजी भागवत की कथा किसको सुनाती है
He recites to who?
किसको सुनाते हैं
Who?
अपनी पत्नी
To his wife,
पार्वती
Devi Parvati.
भागवत कथा है चलो आगे की कथा
Then
ब्रह्मा जी बोले चलो
Brahma ji said,
के पास चलते हैं
let's go to
तो जब महाराज ब्रह्मा जी
Shivji.
और वो व्यक्ति कहाँ पर पहुंच गए
That person and Brahmaji, they went to Kailash.
महादेव के गले महादेव जी
They
आप
told Mahadev, Oh Mahadev, what are the fruits of listening to Bhagavad Katha? We want to hear.
महादेव बोले
Mahadev said, I cannot tell you.
एक काम की जाए
Do one thing.
स्वयं भगवान ही भागवत स्वरूप है
The Lord Himself is the personification of Srimad Bhagavatam. These 12 cantos,
ये साक्षात भगवत स्वरूप ही है
they are direct manifestations of the Lord. Let's go to Vaikuntha.
स्वयं भगवान बताएंगे
The Lord Himself will tell us the glories of listening to the Srimad Bhagavatam. That person was very clever. From morning till night, I am going from here to there, then we're going to Satyalok, then we went to Shivalok, and now you want to take me to... I don't know where you want to take me, I cannot walk. Then Brahmaji and Shivji said, if you don't go, how can we explain to you? Then I cannot go, he said. Brahmaji and Shivji, they thought, let's make one very nice palanquin, and told the demigods to carry the palanquin. And that man very comfortably sat on the palanquin, and the demigods, they carried him, and all the demigods went after him. Ganesh ji, Shivji, Durga ji. Listen, what are the fruits of listening to Srimad Bhagavatam? They wanted to hear from the Lord. There was such a great procession. In between he was saying, oh, I'm hot, please fan me. And in that very moment, when they reached Vaikuntha, the gates of Vaikuntha, Lakshmi Devi was seeing, they saw great procession and a person sitting on a palanquin. Behind him was Brahmaji, Shivji, and all the demigods. Lakshmi Devi told to Lord Narayan, who is this person behind whom all the demigods are walking? Vishnu said to Lakshmi Devi, bring my garland, my prashadi garland. My great devotee is coming. I have to receive him. Lord Vishnu himself came to the doors of Vaikuntha to welcome this person with his own prashadi mala, and took him into Vaikuntha. All the demigods sat,
ब्रह्मा जी, शिव जी,
Brahma Ji, Shiv Ji, Yamaraj, they asked, what is the cause of you coming here? What is the reason for you coming? They want to hear. This person wants to hear. What are the fruits of listening to Srimad Bhagavatam? The Lord replied, this is the fruits of listening of Srimad Bhagavatam. You come to my abode. Bihari Lal Ki Jai. One who listens to Srimad Bhagavatam Katha, they attain the abode of the Lord. She's married. One with faith, they attain the abode of the Lord. For this reason, with firm faith, one should listen to the Srimad Bhagavatam. One day we'll have to leave our body, tomorrow, day after that, or at least after 100 years. With firm faith, listen to Srimad Bhagavatam Katha. 100% guaranteed that at the time of leaving your body, you will attain the transcendental abode of the Lord. Like a snake discards its skin, in that same way, with listening with firm faith, you will attain the abode of the Lord. In this way, there are many glories of the Srimad Bhagavatam and the glories of listening to Srimad Bhagavatam. The time is up for today. We will rest here, the Srimad recital of the Srimad Bhagavatam. We do a little kirtan, then arti and prasad, and tomorrow again 4 baje, 4:30. We'll do arti, and 5 o'clock we will start the katha. Please come on time and sit and listen. This Bhagavad Katha is transcendental and priceless. Lal Ki Jai, Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Shri Gurudev Ki Jai, Shri Bhakti Vedanta Bhan Maharaj Ki Jai.
Namo Namo Subhra